is the Whirlpool Dishwasher, and I'm going to show you how to operate and go through the different options that this has. As you can see, this is the cabinet style where it's in the cabinet like right there. You open it up just like this, and then there's various cycles, and I'm going to go through it, okay? This is how you turn it on. You have the cycles, you have the delay, and then you have the options, right? So I'm going to go through cycles first, okay? You have this cycle right here. First, it comes to the 1 hour wash. Say for instance, you just want a quick wash, just to quickly run through it and wash dishes because you have some place to go or you need some clean dishes. That's the hour cycle. As you can see, it gives you an hour and 18 minutes, okay, right here. Then it goes to the soak and clean. Now the soak and clean will, say for instance, you have some really ground on dirt and grime and food on your dishes. The soak and clean is the best option for actually getting your dishes clean. Now, with that being said, it takes 7 hours for them to get clean. That's a long time. Ideally, if you're going to do soak and clean, do it overnight. All right, I've done it once. It takes a long time. All right, so you have the 1 hour wash, you have the soak and clean, and then you have the sensor. Now it senses how dirty the dishes are right here. This is an option I've used a couple of times. It works fairly well. Right here it starts off with 2 hours and 56 minutes. Okay. Then there is the heavy option. All right. So say for instance you have heavy soiled dishes that have a lot of crud on them. The heavy mode is good for that. Okay. And then there is the regular normal wash, which is 3 hours and 8 minutes. Okay. It's about 30 minutes less than the heavy. All right. And then there are some options for washing once you have made your selection. As you can see, it's in the normal, right? There's an option of delay. Okay, we're going to go over that last, but right now we're going to go with the options like the Sani rinse. Now this option right here, the Sani rinse, it actually adds about 20 minutes on to the wash. The Sani rinse, what that does is it heats the water when it's rinsing to a very hot temperature. I believe it's 150 degrees. And doing so sanitizes your dishes at that temperature. That's the Sani rinse, okay? Right here is the heat dry option. Right there, you can take it on, take it off. It adds or subtracts about 10 minutes. It actually heats inside the dishwasher to heat dry your dishes, okay? And then you have the high temperature wash. Press that. It adds about 20 minutes on to the wash as well too. Or maybe not, didn't add any extra time, but it does use a little bit more energy because it adds heat to the water. Say for instance, you have hot water running into the dishwasher. The heat temperature wash actually makes it a little bit hotter, therefore making it a little bit easier to remove dirt and grime off of your dishes, okay? Then there's the control lock button. This is the button that you can press to keep the controls from being manipulated, all right? And then there's the start and resume button, okay? Let's go back here to turn it on. Remember I talked about the delay, all right? Now the delay button, as you can see, I'm gonna press the delay button. You can actually delay the wash to start 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, how many ever hours that you want. Say for instance, you want it completely quiet in your place and you don't want to hear your dishwasher. You can actually press that for when you want it to wash. Very cool option right there. All right. Now to start, all you have to do is come right here, hold it down, and it counts down, and then you shut it. And you have to shut it completely, or else it won't wash. You have 4 seconds to close it, or else it won't wash. And then you can do the resume if you don't close enough time and it starts to count over. Close it all the way, and it'll start your wash. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.